Hey, this is Derek Levesque from Capgemini. What we're going to show today is how to teach our chatbot new things without writing any kind of code. So here you can see we're going to talk to our chatbot, and it doesn't know what to do with what the action we're trying to perform. So we'll check into our dashboard here, and you can see the memory. Our chatbot doesn't know anything. We haven't taught it anything yet. So we're just going to create a new intent here, and we'll name it greeting, because we're going to teach the chatbot how to say hello in response to our greeting it. We'll categorize it in our dashboard for searchability purposes. And then we'll come down here and we'll add some phrases and responses. So what do we want to say to the chatbot? That would be a phrase. And what do we want the chatbot to say back to us? That would be a response. So we'll add those here in the dashboard, and then we're going to click create to make this new intent. And we'll just click on it here to show it. And then we'll go back to our memory and look. Our chatbot still does not know about it because we haven't trained it yet. But when we click train, the chatbot now learns this one new intent, and we can come back in here and talk to it in real time. And our chatbot should now know how to greet us. We can type hi, and the chatbot knows to say hello in response. It will use one of the two responses that we just taught it. We can try to take it a little further here and say, hey, how are you? But our chatbot does not know how to greet us in that way yet. It only responds to very simple commands like hi and hello. So we can come back into our chatbot and teach it a new intent on how to elaborate a little bit on our greeting. So same category. We'll name it a little bit differently this time, though. And we will add a couple of different phrases and responses. So we'll add maybe a little question like, how are you? So hi, how are you? Or hey, how are you? We'll add those in as phrases. And then we'll teach the chatbot some responses and how to take the greeting a little bit further should the user ask it a question besides just saying hi or hello. So you see the intent has been created, and we'll go back into our memory to teach the chatbot about this new intent. And then in real time, we come back into our chatbot and we can ask it our greetings again. So hi, it knows to say hello. But if we then follow it up with a question like, hi, how are you? The chatbot can take it in a different direction based on this new intent that you've taught it, and come back with a specific response for that level of greeting. And lastly, we'll just say goodbye here. It's something we haven't taught it, just a third example of teaching the chatbot a new intent on the fly. Come back into the dashboard, go through those steps as well. We will create a new category this time because we want to keep our goodbyes separate from our hellos. So it's a different type of interaction that we're teaching the chatbot. So we'll create a new category for that. And then we'll just add in a couple of phrases and responses specific to how a user might say goodbye to a chatbot, and then teach the chatbot a response on how to come back to us with a similar goodbye based on what we're saying. Again, intent created. Come back into the chatbot memory and click train one last time. You can see now it's tracking these different things that we've trained the chatbot, and we'll come in real time, say goodbye to our chatbot, and it will know how to respond to us. So just a quick demo of how to teach the chatbot new intents on the fly, and I hope you enjoyed the video.